Now, this is a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. And the challenge here is how to get the film to come inside of this very narrow pocket and be able to squeeze the water out of it. Now, to get there, it's already a challenge. And to be able to get the water out of there, it's another challenge. So here's what I do. Someone mentioned that they always take all this back lid out to do this car. And I've done that way several times also. But I am going to attempt to do this car today without removing that back lid, because I have done that successfully also several times, and I'm going to try to help you guys to understand how to do it. And if I'm successful, then you guys can also be successful. Now, my tool of choice for this car is this one. But keep it in mind, you need to have an arsenal of tools when you're dealing with a situation like this. And this is pretty much, sometimes I use all of them and a lot of elbow grease to get this job done. Sometimes the bulldozer, certainly on this car, will not do a complete job, because as you go down with it, it's so tight that if you bring back the bulldozer, it might bring back the edge of the film with it. So caution, be advised, especially on this kind of tight spaces. Sometimes I use this one to swipe this way behind the third brake light until I can use this one to finalize over here on the edge. But my rule of thumb, when I have a car that is this difficult and the pocket, it's so deep and so narrow, my rule of thumb is this: if I can, through the inside, swipe this squeegee this way and that way, this is what I mean. If I can do that, most likely I can get this window done without removing the back lid, which is not hard to be removed. It's just an extra 15-20 minutes perhaps of work that, if we can avoid, will increase our productivity.